Hello everyone, today is 14th March 2022. Today I am going to explain today's topic, that is a thread scheduler and daemon thread in Java. Now going to the topic. This is the original video. Now going to the topic, thread scheduler and daemon thread in Java. First of all, discuss about the thread scheduler in Java. In Java, a component of Java that decides which thread to run or execute and which thread to wait is called a thread scheduler. In Java, in Java, a thread is only chosen by a thread scheduler if it is the runnable state. However, if there is a more than one thread in the runnable state, it is up to the thread scheduler to pick one of the thread and ignore the other ones. There are some criteria that decides which thread will be executed first, and there are two factors for scheduling a thread: priority and time arrival. Now, this first of all discuss about what is a priority and a concept of priority. Priority of each thread lies between 1 to 10. If the thread has higher priority, it means that thread has got a better chance of getting picked up by the thread scheduler. Now next one is time of arrival. Suppose two threads of the same priority enter the runnable state, then priority cannot be factored to be pick a thread from the two threads. In such a case, arrival time of a thread is considered by the thread scheduler. A thread that arrived first gets the preference over the other threads. Now discuss about what is the working of a Java thread scheduler. Let us go to the working of a Java thread scheduler. Suppose there are 5 threads that have different arrival time and different pictures. However, it is the responsibility of the thread scheduler to decide which thread will get the CPU first. And next one is the thread scheduler selects the thread that has the highest priority, and the thread begins the execution of the job. If a thread is already in runnable state, the thread another thread reaches in the runnable state. Now when two threads, thread 2 and 3 having the same priorities and arrival time, the scheduling will be decided on the basis of FCFC algorithm. FCFS algorithm. Thus, the thread that arrives first gets the opportunity to execute first. Now, discuss about the daemon thread into the Java. Daemon thread in Java is a low priority thread that runs in the background to perform tasks such as garbage collection. Daemon thread in Java is also a service provider thread that provides service to the user thread. In a life depends on the mercy of user threads. That is, when all the user threads die, JVM terminates the thread automatically. Now, in a simple word, we can say that daemon thread provides service to the user threads for background supporting tasks. It has a role. It has a no role in the life other than to serve user threads. Now, discuss about the properties of the daemon thread. They cannot prevent the JVM from exciting when all the user threads finish their execution. In a JVM, JVM terminates itself when all user threads finish their execution. If JVM finds a running daemon thread, it terminates the thread and after that shut down it. JVM does not care whether the daemon thread is running or not. Now discuss about the default nature and daemon thread. By default, the main thread is always non-daemon, but all the remaining threads are daemon threads. Now discuss about the what there are some methods in a Java methods of a daemon thread. First of all, one is a void set daemon, and that also called as a boolean status. In that method, marks the current thread as a daemon thread or user thread for a if we have a user thread set daemon true would make it daemon thread. On the other hand, if we have a daemon thread id, then calling id set daemon false would make it user thread. Second one is a priority. Discuss about the what is a priority. When and only remaining threads in a process are daemon threads, the interrupter exists. This makes sense because when only daemon threads remain, there is no other thread for which a daemon thread can provide a service. Now, next up, next explanation, that is a usage of daemon thread. Daemon thread is provide service to user thread for a background supporting task. This is the information about the daemon thread. Thank you very much.